We, the students of team number 7, studying Management Information Systems at the Department of Business Management in Colombo University of Sri Lanka. We are preparing to visit Windmill Company Private Limited. Also, we work to gain an understanding of the organization through friendly discussions with the staff members. The main objective of our field visit is to gain a practical understanding of how the organization system used in the daily activities. So, we will meet in the organization.
Welcome to Windmill Company Private Limited. Now we are in the company location. Windmill Company is a large-scale business organization belonging to the food and packaging sector. As per their initial distribution, they are using ERP system are also several other systems such as designing Google Workspace, email and etc.
As per the initial discussion that we had with the company team, actually the IT manager and the production manager all are gathered together for the interview, but unfortunately they was not allowed to do the recording inside their meeting rooms because of their rules. Anyway, as per the discussions we had with them, they have informed regarding the information systems that they use. As per the assignment also, under the first question, they are asking regarding the information system that are used within the location. When we analyze and when we do the initial discussion with the team members, production manager and the IT manager, they inform regarding a ERP system which is integrated all their production, purchasing and the payroll, invoicing, all these things together. Actually, they showed the short demonstration as well. Anyway, it is an integrated system, and other than that ERP system, they are having a drawing system which contains the palette drawings. It means they can draw the palette drawing throughout the system, which is specially designed by a USA company. And this is a very important system which is they are using to cater good service for their customers, because they are mainly doing the export of wooden pallets. So prior to all these export processes, they need to confirm the what type of product which is going to the abroad. So drawing for the initial production process is very important. In their production process, the first stage is the designing of the pallet. So that pallet designing process also done by using a pallet designing system which is manufactured by or designed by the USA company. In the other hand, there are some Google Workspace systems for the Gmail and other storage purposes, cloud and all these things. So these are the basic ERP systems and all these information systems which is used by the Windmill team as per their discussion. As per the second question, we discussed with the production manager and also the IT manager. We discussed how the management information systems used for the decision making process to make more smooth and also for the daily operations. As they said earlier, production process start with a drawing which is designed by using a pallet designing system, and all the production process going based on that. All the process it is needed to have the pallet drawing. Then after that, for the daily operation process, it is very important to having the reports and all these things. How is the production going? What are the working progress pallet production quantity, and what are the finished products quantity, and all these things. How about the raw material storage, and also the payments for the suppliers, and also for the customer outstanding reports, and also the checks which have not yet credited. All these things, payroll systems and invoicing, all these things they have done by using a ERP system, and they are taking the reports daily basis to manage well. As example, as they said, if they're having a work for the cash flow issues and all these things, they are checking what are the outstanding payments that they have to receive. So based on that reports, they take the decisions, and their credit recovery team make the actions based on that. For the storage purposes, they check the stock reports, and based on that they do the purchasing as well. For the payments as well, they are using what are the outstanding payments that the company have to settle for the outside suppliers. Based on all these things, they are taking the decisions in the first and first out method for the stock removals. All these things taking based on the management information system. If the system goes wrong, then all the things will going wrong. So therefore, it is very important for the decision making process as well as for the daily operations within the company, because all the things are got integrated through a ERP system, payroll, and all the designing and other things. As for the third question, which we discussed with the team members, how the management information systems used to have the competitive advantages, make more good customer services, and also for the contribution for the efficiency. How these management information systems used for the more efficient manner, and how these things make the production more smooth. When we discuss the first point, how these information systems make efficiency, actually if we take the stock process and all these things, all the stocks are maintained through a information system. They having the stock reports, what are the daily required raw materials, and especially in their case, Winwill's case, they need the timber in a large volume. So how about the timber stocks which they having in different sizes? They take all these things within the production process. They having that stock report. Based on that, they take the decision for the production. So if it is not available in a good manner, then the production will delay. Therefore, as they having the good storage method, they are doing their process very smooth, and also they having the competitive advantages, because all these reports and the quality problems, all these things are recorded in the ERP system. So based on that, they are taking the actions to improve and minimize the quality returns and the feedbacks, all these things, and customers can submit the feedbacks also throughout the system. As well as when we discuss regarding the customer service, based on the customer feedbacks and the customer complaints, every day they are taking their actions based on the customer feedback. So customer service also again and again improved with the information system, because they having all these history, reports, records, and the feedbacks, complaints, all these things within the information system. As for the fourth question, which we discussed with the team members, mainly we have to discuss regarding what are the challenges that they have to face when implementing these type of management information systems. Main thing is that although they are taking the degree holders or whatever the education qualifications, majority are not much familiar with the information system that they are used. Why? Because the timber sector, which is very new to the Sri Lankan market as well, because there is no very large type of timber production companies. So mostly they are taking the people who are work with some other industry. So when they come to the Winwill company, they are new to the industry, therefore the system also not much familiar. And the other thing is that the information system which is used by them, ERP system which is used by them, is specially customized for themselves. Therefore training the members to the new system is a challenge which is faced by them, and also some type of errors and issues and the saving issues, all these things are coming for the production process as well as the maintaining in ERP system. So these are the main challenges which they are facing by using the management information system. As for the last question we discussed with the team members, we have to know regarding what are the skills, knowledge, and the competencies that should be available with the undergraduates to work with more familiar with the management information systems. When we directly discuss with them, they mainly told that they need some qualification to work with the management information systems. It means there should be some professional qualifications such as the IT or the computerized system management certificates and all these things. Otherwise, mainly they are looking for the skills or the experience which they have gained by using such type of information system. So this is very important, and also they are giving some priority for the workers or the newcomers who have worked with the same industry and also with the management information system. So it is an added advantage for all the members who are coming to the industry. So therefore when a new undergraduate coming, they are looking for some professional qualification certifications and all these things. Mainly they are considering the experience for working such type of management information system based on same industry or maybe in the different industry. But if it is in the same industry, it will be very added qualification, and the package which they given for the newcomer will be very high.
Through this assignment, we were able to clearly understand how management information systems play an important role in supporting business operations, decision making, and overall organizational success. From our interviews, we learned that information system helps organizations to save time, reduce errors, and improve coordination between departments. They make daily tasks easier from managing employees and handling sales to tracking inventory and analyzing data for future planning. We also discovered that even though this MIS provides many benefits, organizations still face challenges such as system maintenance, staff training needs, and data security issues. It reminded us that technology alone is not enough. People and proper management are equally important. As undergraduate, this project helped us gain practical knowledge about how business actually use management information system in real life. We improved our teamwork, communication, and problem-solving skills throughout the process. We would like to thank the management and staff of Greenville Company for giving us their valuable time, and the lectures of the Department of Business Management for guiding us through this learning experience.